Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by choosing peanuts and tools. Pick raw or dry roasted nuts for control over oil and sodium. Preheat to 175 degrees C. Roasting concentrates flavor and reduces added sugar urges later. Once the oven is ready, spread 2 cups evenly and roast 8-12 minutes, shaking pan halfway to brown uniformly. Make sure to cool 5-10 minutes. Cooling improves texture and prevents excess oil separation when you pulse in the processor. You now transform roasted peanuts into spread. Start pulsing 30-60 seconds to break down, then scrape the sides and continue processing in cycles. Once you see clumps, run 2-3 minutes to reach creamy consistency. This develops emulsion without overworking. Add just 1 tsp oil only if dry, because keeping added fats low helps weight loss goals. If you want sweetness or spice, mix in small amounts like 1/2 teaspoon stevia or 1 teaspoon cinnamon rather than sugar. You finish by transferring peanut butter into clean jars, labeling them with dates, and refrigerating to preserve freshness. It will keep up to 4 weeks. Portion control is crucial. Use 2 tablespoon servings and plan for 1-2 servings per day to fit calorie targets. If oil separates, simply stir and refrigerate. If texture is grainy, reprocess briefly with a splash of water or the reserved oil. Make sure to adjust salt and add-ins gradually so flavor stays consistent with your goals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.